Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone number's in the description. Get them and use them. It's the only way to get our voices heard. The $2,000 stimulus check, I still feel very optimistic that we will get it. I even feel more optimistic than normal because of everything that's been said through the president, through Mitch McConnell, and we know the House wants it. So I really feel very confident. And I've noticed other YouTubers are jumping on board that too. Okay, Labor Secretary Scalia said that the $600 unemployment boost is no longer needed. That's easy for him to say. He's a millionaire. Y'all, I've been saying this for a long time, and now I see other people are jumping on it. People has gone back to work. There's a lot of jobs that has been taken back by the people, but they're not getting the hours that they used to get. They are getting like 2 or 3 shifts a week, and they probably didn't go back at the money that they was making per hour. So is that really a job? Should they really count that as a job? I don't think so. They are worried now about people making more money while they're unemployed than they did when they was on the job through the unemployment boost. I say, so what if they do? The government made them lose their job. The government made them lose their homes. Some people lost everything they have, and it's the government's fault. So if they're making more now than they did when they was at work, I say good for them. They deserve it. There is a new bill floating around that would keep the $600 boost, but drop it by $100 for every % that the unemployment rate drops. You know the jobs report is flawed. It's rigged. We know that. And if they get this passed, they're really going to be fudging the numbers just so they can get rid of that $600 boost. I don't trust these people. I don't trust them at all. Mitch McConnell has said once again that this will be the last stimulus payment. In November, he will be out of office. So how can he say that? How can he? The man has lost his mind. So where did the PPP money go? Well, we know now that Mitch McConnell's wife has a business, a family business. And she got between $350,000 and $1 million. They don't give you the exact amount, they just give you the range. Now this is Mitch McConnell's wife. Kanye West, the rapper, you know he's running for president. That's a joke. He got an undisclosed amount of money. So what? Are we paying for his presidential fund now? Y'all, Mitch McConnell is not the only member of Congress that got this money. There's plenty others. He's just my whipping post. I can't stand this man. But there was plenty others that got it, and they're members of Congress. Now you're going to say, well, Mitch McConnell didn't get it. His wife got it. Well, when I get money, it benefits my wife and me. When my wife gets money, it benefits my wife and me. So yes, Mitch McConnell did get it. This is the reason they didn't want us to know what companies got the PPP money, because they knew they had skeletons they needed to hide. They didn't hide it very well. Y'all, we will get out of this. It's just going to take a while. Y'all please get them numbers. Call those numbers. Call their local offices. And if you're in their local area, go protest at their offices. That's the only way to get our voices heard. Y'all, I make these videos every day. They go live at 6 a.m. Please come back every day and check them out. And y'all just know I love you all, and we will get through this. Just got to have faith in God and perseverance. We will get through it. Ciao.